your new Toyota Starlet Cross. Own it.
It is Katebe powered by World Sports Betting. It is good times of CO. South Africa versus Egypt. Egypt versus South Africa. North versus South in the CAF Champions League. It's Pyramids against Orlando Pirates. That will be the second game for tomorrow, 6 p.m. At 3 p.m., the first game will be Orlando Pirates against, Mamelodi Sundowns against Al Ahly. And then the second game will be Orlando Pirates against Pyramids. So South Africa versus Egypt. From what we've seen in the CAF Champions League, it's been uninspiring, the football side. I'm sure the teams who have progressed, the people on those countries have celebrated, South Africans have celebrated, Egyptians are happy. But in terms of the football spectacle, this week alone we saw Aston Villa PSG. If you watched that, you would have been ecstatic. On Wednesday we saw another game as well, which was very exciting. Inter Milan defeating Bayern Munich, and also on the same day it was Real Madrid trying to get back against the Arsenal. Those were exciting. Yesterday, a French team, Olympique Lyon, went to Old Trafford and they went to extra time against Manchester United. I think it ended 5-4. Very exciting. The point I'm making is that when you have the top continental football and you're asking people from different countries to watch it, the least you can do is to give us a game. You must fight against the other one must fight against you. So far in the CAF Champions League, we have not seen that. What we have seen is that coaches are trying their level best to say, I am here, I am not going to lose, I wish I can win the Champions League. They have no plan of how they're going to do that other than just defending. So hopefully tomorrow we won't see that because it's the semi-finals of the Champions League. Junior Kanye, my analyst, welcome to the weekend. It's the Easter weekend. It's South Africa versus Egypt. Let's start with Sundowns Al Ahly. It's a high-profile game in terms of names of the clubs. However, it's been disappointing matches from the quarterfinals. What do you expect Al Ahly against Mamelodi Sundowns?
Yeah, ngikholelwa mabrada kunjani?
Yes, sir.
Ngibulise wena no Justice.
Yes, sir.
Ngibulise Benedict Sofila.
Yes, sir.
Obviously, bafethu kunjani, keep on supporting it. TV fighting no one try to fix South African football. It's number 1 against number 2. Al Ahly is number 2 in Egypt. When number 1 Pyramids. I think the team was playing Orlando Pirates tomorrow.
Yeah.
All right. I think the standard of football in this trophy, this cup, Champions League, I'm not like it's. When I grew up, I used to say, Champions League, especially the tournament, before me, I could play for Kaizer Chiefs. Being the belief which these African teams far better than us. But the more I get close to football, ngikula nami ngidlala le game and ngisebenza through football, bukela lama game. I'm sorry, it's about coaches in this tournament. Yeah, you are right. You're making a very strong point. I'm a tactics. Sometimes I'm a player, I'm a robot. They just put them on the field to go and do exactly what the coach wants. It's very difficult. Yes, my instructions go right. I'm going to get ground and run it all over. But can we see proper football? As you say, more technically, this team from Europe, much better. Champions League in a pressure, knockout stages, especially good figures we are but exciting. Arsenal playing away, you hardly see them defending. But low block. Well done to Mikel Arteta.
Yep.
And Real Madrid as well. Star players, but they look ordinary in front of their crowd. So, but you could see the quality at Madrid as well. It's just that Arsenal, they were too big, they were better than them. As Ushi came at Juventus and also
Inter Milan, Bayern Munich.
I mean to say Bayern Munich and Inter Milan, exciting. The game. Technical, movement of the ball, accuracy of passes, intensity high, the quality of individual players, quality of the team, well done. And the coaches, tactics, change my system, game, I've learned a lot as well now. Yeah. And I'm also watching Barcelona, I think during the week, something else. So, good luck, I think we as South Africans, Mina, my team, Orlando Pirates and Sundowns, much better than this team that we're going to play. In terms of, for me, better Sundowns and Orlando Pirates, much better compared to this team. Sundowns not at their best for me. Since Orlando is left, I know, but much better than the team that they are going to play against in Al. Also, Orlando Pirates. I think Pirates for me better in terms of the way security Uguti, Pirates and the coaches suddenly change how the team started the Premiership, how Nalik tournament group stages. Mind you, suddenly changed, but in terms of how Pirates play, better compared to Pyramids. So it's unfortunate Nkulego tomorrow. Very difficult game for Sundowns. It's not going to be easy. But we are going to lose. I think it's a shocking loss. Though in the main goal, but who are we to take a decision? Sundowns, I think they're confident from players. Also the coach, I think kuna player that angasawa Thembi. For instance, the coach keep on playing Suarez. He's good on the ball, but his natural position and the priority is a defender. He needs to defend.
Would you make any change there?
Yes, I believe.
Who would you call back in that position?
Yeah, Libusa. I think Mvala Libusa. And Mina for me, bearing in mind, ukudlala nga 3 like they used to do.
3 centre backs.
Yes, I think sometimes they used to do that. You understand? I bring back Mdiba as well. Why? In terms of the best way to attack, to defend is to attack, not to attack. Like just no. The best way to defend is to keep the ball and attack. You understand? Magmelu attack. So bring back Mdiba. Fagalo, I think the guy is okay now. Umvala, as far as ahead. I know there's match fitness, but hardworking. Discipline, dedicated, sponsor. You had inters wrong. Just play. Put him back there. I would love him to come and play in Libusa 3. And then Mdiba on the left hand side and bring back Mhlambe
on the right
yes.
side.
And then Sundowns for me,
that means one midfielder is not playing. Kushuguti uzodlala ngoAlende no Mukwena.
Yes,
you have to sacrifice someone.
I think it's fine. Jaden Adams, I'm not problem in no Jaden. Even last week, my big pension me for me, it didn't give me being a train smash. You understand? But make sure you solid at the back. It's Sundowns, I think it seems that Maupeg Sundowns idlala. Very good team in terms of ball position, but department. But not banga consider no Magnin. It seems as if they can consider any given time against any team.
If they are being attacked.
If they're being attacked, because batheka ngama full backs ngapha ne defense yabo badlala nga 2 since well bana 2 full backs bahamba at least mabayi 3. I think they can go 1v1. One is left center back ayika left, right center back ayika right, and then someone must come central. Ngoba ngeke expect ukuthi Mkwena run quickly ngoba expect ukuthi join in like on the box or having shot on the box or mhlamba support the play. So I think mabadlale nga 2 Alende nomkwena, and then ngale back for me ngale back 3 mina ngitshela ngayo, and then they keep playing Mdiba nomdawo. Sometimes they can be better again for me. So we are straightforward. I don't think coach will change much, but Ulbusa is coming back. Usazodlala I see me Nukran coming back. Uzodlala ngayo futhi this guy
Suarez.
For me, Mangpega, I think Suarez is going to come back. The coach, I think Flambeck. I think I was speaking to Zippo, general of Zippo Dlangalale. Listen, mina bo Zippo Sidesha, I speak to them, especially Gumeximan. I listen to coaches there. I learn. So nothing, we're sharing ideas, me and Zippo. Yes,
Did you say anything that you can share with us?
What Zippo is saying, sometimes they're starting to lose the philosophy, the identity.
Yeah, we can see that.
Yeah, and it's because of this chop and change. It's because of somebody there, up there, who brought the coach, and they want his players to play. There are players who are not supposed to play at Sundowns that are playing regularly. There are players that are supposed to play abangadlali at all. Some even understand. So Flambeck, I think Petros Motsepe, the big mistake that he did by bringing the guy, being Shara Nozipo general. Ogu Junior, the more report abantu nabaning njengabo was Flambeck, mawungabheka iklap, maskhuluma nje var, why there was no need for me, mankhuluma Nozipo. Why this guy Rulan had to leave?
100%. There was no need for him.
Mankhuluma no Zippo, which is true, but ang si fan ang si chomia Urlan, but look at the brand of football, guys, and the foundation piece was brought there as built and in front of this boy and Rulan. And now Rulan is gone. Look at the team. And why he had to leave for my results.
Yeah, exactly. And I always believe, I just need to move on to Pirates. I always believe that they were playing dominant football, and I was having this debate as well online. Apparently it was big and people were listening to it. And I always believe that losing in the semi-final does not mean you're a failure.
Yes, true.
You are dominating all the teams in Africa. It's just a matter of you lost a game.
Yeah.
There were a couple of things that Rulani needed to change there. In
Simple,
terms of
yes.
maybe his front three needed 2 more dribbling wizard
Yeah.
to open up these low blocks he was playing
Yes.
up against. I think he was on the right track. Tomorrow, very quickly before we go to Pirates,
Yeah.
Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah, I see Sundowns is going to win. I think they're going to win 1-0.
1-0 to Sundowns.
Yeah, not much for me. Sundowns, they've got this tendency to play on Reyners and Shadulid. I don't think it's working for me. And also repair. The guys tired a bit. When the job buyer for Sundowns, attacking, fetching the balls, there it's too deep. And it's more of we play the threat go Sundowns in terms of very dynamic, skillful. We take the responsibility when it comes to attack Sundowns. So Ubaba Mela alone, when Zagonke taking shots, scoring goals, assisting. So I see 1-0. Shalide and Reyners, the coach is going to come back now, and I don't think it's working.
1-0 Sundowns Al Ahly. Let's look at Orlando Pirates. I think something similar is happening, and I agree with you. Ukuthi thina siyi South Africa sinamaqembu asele la angcono kunama North Africans.
Yeah.
We are better if we allow them to play.
Yeah.
If we allow them to attack. Sibonile Pirates Algeria, Ishayi Peluwezedad, Ishayi MC Alger. Orlando Pirates are very good attacking players if they are allowed to attack. I was asking also the same question. Move from Orlando to FNB, does that have any difference to you tomorrow?
Yeah, I think Orlando nobody is coming there. Pirates, it's very important if it's a home game, like
Home ground advantage.
yeah, it's like Mount Lally home game, home ground advantage. Maybe it's a home game, yako. I think if Pirates Orlando, not every team goes there and come back. Used to a ground, even players. Sometimes Pirates they train there. Yeah, obviously used to that. The team these pyramids.
The pyramids, yeah.
Going there, go Orlando. I think Pirates bezo. Angithi trainer da and idlala week in and week out ngikhuluma ngama home game wabo, special league. Beku easy for Orlando Pirates. Sengikhuluma ngama player nje ukuthi even the coach no ama tactics and players how they want the game ukuthi if idlale ngakhona ngikhuluma ngama players ngoba yiba ba solve ama problem on the field. Now going to FNP, I think it disadvantage. I know ukuthi it's they are from South Africa and FNP Pirates they use
It's a Soweto.
yes, but FNP is
it's
too
not the
big.
same thing.
Yes, it's not the same.
Oh yeah, the coach was saying that
Too big.
in Nkulu
And white, Masaitin. Yeah, go show coach le.
or Rivero.
Yeah, even himself, imagine. Nimzwile is saying FNP is too big. And the question is fitness. I know what it's towards the season your pela. You cannot question I'm playing about the fitness or you match fitness, but FNP is too big. African Champions League, but intensity high. Go game of emotions, bazok harasa. So I'm wondering how your Pirates going to cope, especially with FNP. Yes, the home game abo. I'm sure. So going to the game, Pirates I think they've changed. Now suddenly they've changed.
Do you think they will be defensive tomorrow?
Yeah.
Abanaso
yeah.
isizathu sokusaba.
They don't have proper midfielders. This thing iqala ukuvela. Abantu ababonayo, abantu aba honest to themselves. Phela ukuthanda ne-fact as fun. Be honest to yourself. Even Rivero, I think he knows. But I don't think he cared a guy with still club anymore. He's leaving.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't think he's only concerned with I'm going to defend. I've got special players, Guno Gabelo Dlamini, Guno Masongai, Guno Mfuke Nkota, Mabasa, or evident I'm going to get a goal, that's all. But in terms of playing, I don't think he's concerned. So, Jose Rivero is going to play low block. And then
At home.
is Uyo Mame, and then that's like transition football. He's going to Uyo Abamele, and then adlaling a speed. Nkota and Fuke might the boy start on the outside foot for me tomorrow. I think coach this boy team, but the boy for me, this boy, wow. Balance, yes, it brings a balance. It Pirates attack. You understand? And the way Pirates made it, I'm a wing forward. I'm a winger. I mean, I believe the boy will let it balance in terms of the article and the Pirates. Now the strikers are coach standard. The guy doesn't score, but the coach keep on playing. And the mother try explaining in my press conference, wherever, like my interview, I don't understand. A striker must fagile. Are we putting a striker to go there and defend? Just the step, putting pressure to defense or to score. So for me, I don't think that tactics could just partner for him. And keep on playing Wodo. Front three doesn't work. And it's going to do that. You're Dalang Marka Daling Wood. Dalang at put left back now. kusho ukuthi udefender ngamaplayer amaningi and then there's Mfokeng, Evident Makhupa. This boy will go outside. Mhlawumbe adlale nga 3 midfielders, according to me.
Yeah,
But
it's based on what he's done before, so it's difficult to see him not doing that. I'm just thinking that he doesn't have a 1-0 advantage.
Yeah.
So the reason why Begayens, but he's doing it anyways, I can't justify it. The reason why Begayens is because Begana 1-0.
Yeah.
That's why he did it in the second leg. Tomorrow, everything is 0-0. Why would you start defending from the beginning of the game?
Mina as ngisho uJose Mfethu ePirates yazi nkuleko kumele sibe nefact compared to Sundowns this year. Watching Pirates first game 6 months.
They've been very
better.
exciting. Very exciting.
Mina Pirates is compared to Sundowns. Sundowns, I was convinced previously, Urlan when he was there, when Peter was there, they play very beautiful football, attacking, holding the ball, also scoring goals, attacking. But now it's vice versa. But watching Pirates, look at the age. Joba is your first round of the season. Well done to the coach. Even group stages, why Champions League, well done to the coach. But suddenly it's changed. Second round of the season, even manje lama game Champions League awini lama nyingi sibuzile. He went there, ayodlala I think Morocco. Algeria. He came with the win. But he won the game.
Yeah.
When he was the game.
1-0 win after defending the whole game.
Did you see the game by winning at home at Orlando? Shocking win as well. But I think either way, and I believe good mina ngifuna win kanjalo ama games. So I don't see mina ngizobane variety just kuphendula isithro mina. I'll be straightforward. These guys mindset if not mistaken Paradise against Pyramids.
It's Sundowns last season.
I mean to say
Sundowns.
Yeah. When I watch, I mean to say Pirates, it's Sundowns. Yeah, last season. When I watch these guys, not one of the best team technical wise, but this team, they've got experienced players who understand what is needed in the game.
But nabinkinga
Abekho grand.
I'm North Africans. So njengoba badlala away nabo, they're gonna want to defend. So it will be interesting to see ukuthi ubani ke also crosses the center trying to score. If Pirates defends and then because among North Africans they always defend in the
that's why I don't think they will attack.
Yeah.
But the mindset ka Jose Rivero, I think unengqondo ukuthi I rather go the trophy alfuna but I plan yalo ukuthi alwine. I don't think unayo for me. Yeah. He want a trophy but next thing ukuthi ngcono ungaconcede. I think he believe in that way. So now the North Africans are right. They are not good even penetrating themselves. And they don't have special players to go and penetrate, like individual players. So, it game it's going to be, for me, it's going to be a boring game. Tactical game, a lot of long ball. Like Paris, what they do, they play at the back, they immediately and then behind.
So a draw for you tomorrow?
Yeah, for me, I see 0-0. Or even 1-1.
All right, there you go.
Draw,
Thank you.
but, yeah.
Thank you so much, Junior. I wouldn't be surprised tomorrow if both matches actually ends in a draw, based on what we saw in the quarterfinals. This is not a good advertising for African football. Even the AFCON, actually, if you watch it with open eyes and you don't care who wins or loses, just because you want your country to win, the AFCON is shit even itself now in terms of football playing. What's nice about it is that, okay, my flag is winning and that's it, and we forget about the games themselves. I don't know what African football is going to do because it is deteriorating. You watch the qualifiers of the World Cup, it's poor. It's dominated by European coaches who don't want to lose football matches. And as a result of that, we're having poor football matches. It's the semi-finals tomorrow. We're supposed to be excited about that, but we are worried that we may not get matches. Maybe the teams will surprise us tomorrow. We'll see. Itiski TV, Itiski Times was sports betting. For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafowethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.